So now I've got the Liberty Walk Parade, and I really want to show you that, because these cars are absolutely epic, that's one. And two, they've got a really exciting new build in the mix. And to be honest, half their cars they've actually rewrapped. And these guys, the importance of Liberty Walk Infinite Motorsport, they also have a wrap shop, and they're right at the top of their game with their wrap. So when they do a wrap, it's absolutely cool. So we've got new cars, we've got new wraps, and all Liberty Walk vibe overlaid into everything. Here we have GW Shutter and one of the most famous people on the Thai car scene, the policeman that everyone loves. And right now, that leads me in, not very well, to the Liberty Walk Parade. And first of all, we've got a Huracán with a new livery on. Now this is the one I actually want to show you, because this is an R35, and it's a final edition. And this is a brand new kit. And then we've got Heng's 180 SX, brand new build with the Liberty Walk silhouette kit. And then we've got an older Liberty Walk car, this Skyline, in the classic sort of adaptation of the Tomica livery. And they're going to go out and do the parade. So we've got to see them go. I'm sure I can hear myself talk, but we need to get up and check them going out on the parade, because I love the whole Liberty Walk vibe, and I love this new kit. This is apparently number 9 of 35 in the world. And they are going round. So I need to very quickly run round. And they're not hanging around either. That is the fastest parade we've seen. Then we've got Mary in this new car. That is just really stunning. She's not hanging around either. Oat never hangs around. Then we've got the 357. It's one of their older cars, it's got a new livery on it. And they have actually gone at some speed. I'm going to zoom in. They are gone. Man, that was a fast parade. These bros do not hang around for long. So here they come back again. And now we're coming for round 2. And they're playing with the crowd as well. We better have a quick look in here at Mrs. R35, or Miss R35, I should say. This is really totally cool. And right here, we've got the Liberty. I got blown out with smoke there. But right here, we've got Planote, Mr. Liberty Walk Thailand. And now they're going to queue up race car grid style. I love this car as well. And now they're doing a crazy lineup of Liberty Walk, and the crowd is going to go mental when you see these cars. Now you got to keep right out of the way here. I got a lady coming out of this Liberty Walk car, man. We've got a lot of ladies coming out of these cars as well. So now the crowd are going to descend, and I am not going to get much of a view anymore. So have a quick look at this lady before we go. But you see the crowd is absolutely piling in. So we need to try and sneak in and see the celebrities in action. Man, this is getting absolutely mental here. People are surging in. I think I need to get right out of the way here and get some peace. We'll have a look at this lady here because she looks pretty chilled out. And we got Samoto moving in for a close-up, so we'll get out of his way as well. I am in absolutely everyone's way here, but we'll have a look at this because I really want to show you this car. in detail, but there's no way I can do it under these lights. But we can see how it's a final edition car and how beautiful that is. And this kit is super rare, just finished, just done. And we've got one Liberty Walk partner here, we've got another one here. Man, it's quite crazy here now. And we've got Mary here as well, who we definitely count as a Liberty Walk partner as well. We've got the whole Liberty Walk hardcore gang in one place. It's got a rather cute pink heart on as well. I feel like I need headphones to join in this party. This 180SX is a brand new build. I mean, you wouldn't even know it is a 180SX until you see the 3/4. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got a Recaro carbon shell seat, and you see the Liberty Walk steering wheel, the race style buttons, everything going on there. Man, that's very, very beautifully done. This is for Heng's Garage, his second Silhouette Series car. And I kind of like some of the details, like these vents here as well, and this carbon fiber rear wing, which has got like a huge gurney flap on the back of it. It's very, very nice. In fact, this is the shot that people are looking for. We're going to nip right in here and see that. Man, that is quite special moments. Jack the car up, and I think they are off. Almost. So we'll have a look at this one as well, which is a Tomica Skyline, kind of replica, done R35 style on a very famous car. I'll have a look at the girl inside the car, and then we're back to Heng's RX-7, which is also absolutely crazy. And we've got a ton of noise on the main stage, so they're about to move out, I think. So I don't know, they're clearing the way. Let's see what is going to happen, but I think we need to get up the front, because there we're going to see them moving. I might get a pop bang show. The end of this is a lot more than I was expecting to bring you, so that's why I've thrown it completely separately onto something else, because I just needed to do that. Anyway, let's watch them roll out, and we're going to get a lot of noise because the Liberty Walk show is just absolutely full on completely. Right, I think this is a good enough spot to stop. Finally. We need to take a look at this because this is special. This is brand new. This is the final edition GTR with the final edition Liberty Walk wide body kit, and they've only built 35 kits worldwide. They've sold all 35. This is kit number 9, and it's come to Thailand. It's the only one that's going to come into Thailand. The rest have all been sold, so this can be the only one you're ever going to see here. It's brand new, just been done, and it looks absolutely epic. It's the end of an era, the end of a line, and this celebrates it perfectly. And to have this at the show making its debut is something quite special. Now, Infinite Motorsport have brought some of their other cars. They've actually wrapped up some of their other cars here. This is the Silvia drift car, which they built, I guess, about a year ago, and they've changed the livery. This is a 350Z that they built a long time ago, and they've changed the livery. And this one isn't Liberty Walk, it's an old and new kit. But they've also changed it because it used to be black, yellow and orange, and now it's black and blue. So they're really, really cool kits, but this is the one that we really need to look at, because that is special and that is really unique. And before we go from that, we need to mention this as well, because this is Heng's new Liberty Walk Silhouette Series wide body for the 180SX. I mean, you couldn't tell that that is a 180SX. In fact, I saw it a few days before the show when they debuted it, and really, until I got round and looked at the 3/4 window and the back lights, I couldn't tell. I mean, it's just such a total transformation of a kit. And it is just quite epic. It really brings you into that racing era. And so does that for that matter. And then on the end here, we have another Silhouette series, also from Heng as well. Liberty Walk, 180SX, RX-7. I don't know what this guy is going to do next for an encore. I think my ears need a rest now. This is mental. I mean, you look around here, I still cannot believe what the Challenger halls are like to have all this going on. We're gonna have a walk around the grid in a minute, and they call it happy hour when they're all lined up and everyone can see the cars. And a wide body Lamborghini with a girl riding out of it. That's Sunday evening for you. Just stand in the middle here. And the view in the show is getting better and better. I haven't shown you an R34 Silhouette before, so it is time to do that. But there's people in the way as usual. The light, the vibe, the cars, the kits, the girls, man, this is unbelievable. So much content there, I had to just throw it all separately. Otherwise, my main video gets too long. And anyway, just a hardcore focus on Liberty Walk. It's absolutely perfect. So as I always say when I get to the end of my video, I need to say it even when I make things like this. In fact, I need to take the plugs out of my ears because I'm the only person, I think in Thailand, who wears earplugs at a car meet. Anyway, as I always say at the end of my video, if you liked my video, please hit the like button for me. And for a ton more content from this crazy edition 2, hit me a sub. But man, now that's the end of this video. I'm done.